Welcome to the ZA Luxury Autos channel, where we bring you the latest reviews and in-depth details about some of the most exciting vehicles on the market. Today, we're diving into the highly anticipated 2025 BYD Atto3. This electric SUV has quickly caught the attention of auto enthusiasts for its impressive specs and futuristic design. Whether you're considering purchasing or just love to stay updated on the latest car trends, this review will give you all the details you need. The 2025 BYD Atto3 is a remarkable addition to the electric vehicle (EV) market, offering a perfect balance of performance, technology, and sustainability. With a sleek exterior, sharp lines, and a modern aesthetic, it stands out in a crowded SUV segment. The Atto3 offers a unique blend of futuristic styling combined with the practicality needed for daily driving. Its exterior dimensions make it an ideal choice for those who need space without compromising maneuverability. Inside, the BYD Atto3 offers a spacious, comfortable cabin with high-end materials and advanced features. The interior design is minimalist yet luxurious, with a large touchscreen central console that controls the majority of the car's functions. The layout is intuitive, offering seamless connectivity with advanced infotainment systems and features that cater to tech-savvy drivers. The seats are designed for comfort, offering ample legroom and headspace, which makes long trips more enjoyable. Under the hood, the 2025 Atto3 is powered by a powerful electric motor, ensuring a smooth and responsive drive. The vehicle offers impressive acceleration and a quiet, comfortable ride. It also boasts an excellent range per charge, making it a great option for both city driving and longer road trips. The battery is designed to offer longevity and efficiency, meaning you won't have to worry about frequent charging stops. With a range that outshines many of its competitors in the same segment, the Atto3 has the potential to be a game-changer in the electric SUV market. Safety is a key focus in the design of the BYD Atto3, featuring a variety of advanced driver assistance systems. These include features like lane keeping assist, automatic emergency braking, and adaptive cruise control. These technologies help ensure that both the driver and passengers are always safe, no matter the driving conditions. The car also comes with several airbags and other safety features to provide peace of mind on every journey. The 2025 BYD Atto3 is also equipped with cutting-edge features such as wireless charging, an advanced audio system, and a panoramic sunroof, making it not only a comfortable but also a high-tech driving experience. It blends performance, sustainability, and luxury in a way that sets it apart from other electric SUVs in the market. If you found this review helpful and want to stay updated on the latest car reviews, specs, and news, don't forget to subscribe to the ZA Luxury Autos channel for more exciting content.